everyone, myself Dhananjay Shinde. I am from B Farm final year. Today on the occasion of World Hypertension Day, I am going to present the poster which is based on the subject Stay healthy, eat healthy and stay away from hypertension. Here we go. This is my poster. Now I am going to explain each and every sect of the poster one by one. Here we go. First of all, why this is important to stay away from the hypertension? Because people are dying from the hypertension. They are still not aware about the hypertension. They don't know what they are doing with their health. That's why to stay away from hypertension is also important. There are some reputed doctors from the national and the international organization who keep talking on this particular topic because they know very well if they don't talk on the hypertension today, then it will be a major threat by tomorrow for the society, for the nation and for the world. The WHO, that is World Health Organization, have said that this hypertension is a silent killer. That's why we should take it in consideration. The next is, so this is some news articles. I want to show you this article. Fight hypertension for healthy heart. Hypertension can affect every organ of your body. The 50% of preterm births linked to a pregnancy induce hypertension. So these are some news article which is based on the hypertension. We can see this article in every year in every newspaper on the occasion of World Hypertension Day, because these media wanted people to aware about this hypertension. That's why they are keep posting such kind of articles on the occasion of World Hypertension Day. Next is the main cause of hypertension. There are so many causes of the hypertension, but the main cause is lifestyle, in which the first is eating junk food, oily food. So we have seen the people eating junk food, oily food because they don't know the bad impact of such kind of food on their health. They are keep eating oily food and it will result into the atherosclerosis, which leads to a hypertension. So you should avoid junk food or oily food for the better health of the heart. The next is not doing exercise. Now because of COVID-19, the people have understand the importance of the health. That's why they are going for the exercise on the daily basis. But there are some people who are not going for the exercise. So exercise on the daily basis is important. The next is smoking and alcohol consumption. So smoking and alcohol consumption, these are very bad habits which having very bad impact on the health. So you should avoid smoking and alcohol consumption. So these are some main cause of hypertension. The next is high blood pressure dangers. So these are the dangers of hypertension. The first is 7 of every 10 people having their first heart attack have a high blood pressure. The next is 8 of every 10 people having their first stroke have a high blood pressure. The 7 of every 10 people with the long lasting heart trouble having a blood pressure. The kidney disease or kidney failure is also a major risk factor for the high blood pressure. So these are the some dangers of the hypertension. The next is the prevalence of hypertension in India. We can call it as a stats or the parameters. The first is 29% people in India are hypertensive. The 29% means approximately 35 crore people of the India are hypertensive, in which 33% people are from urban area and 25% people are from rural area. So these are the parameters of the India. Next is 1.5 million people die due to hypertension in Southeast Asia in each year. The next is 214 million people in India with hypertension by 2025. So these are some parameters or the stats of the hypertension, or we can call it as a prevalence of hypertension in India. The next is lifestyle changes for a healthy heart. We can call it as a precautions for the hypertension. First is avoid smoking and reduce alcohol consumption. So we have discussed it earlier. These are some habits which having very bad impact on the health. So you should avoid smoking and alcohol consumption. The next is maintain healthy weight. Then manage diabetes. We can manage diabetes by reducing the sugar intake. The next is control stress. This is very much important point because nowadays people having more stress life. They're having a workload stress, they're having many more problems related with the life. So in such situation, go for a yoga, go for a meditation to get out of it. So next is exercise. So exercise on the daily basis is also important. Next is control your blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Eat heart healthy diet and get regular medical checkups. So these are some points you should take it in consideration. These are the lifestyle changes for a healthy heart or the precautions for the hypertension. Next is references. So I have gone through some articles, some documents, and I have gathered this information. So these are some references of such documents. Stay healthy, eat healthy, and stay away from hypertension.